Oops, missed my chance to jump in. Yes, so this one closed with a profit right at the last second. Oh, another trade wrapped up. Hi everyone. Today, I will show you how I made $1,300 in profit in just one session, trading for about an hour. I don't rely on just one indicator, I always adapt based on market conditions and analysis. But today, the core of my approach was RSI combined with parallel channels, a simple and flexible strategy that worked out perfectly. So let's get into it. My starting capital today is $12,736. I'm risking $350 per trade, and I will increase this amount if I need to cover a loss. Each trade will have a 1-minute expiration, and I will be using a 30-second time frame. Right now, I am setting up the RSI indicator with a period of 10 and will be using the parallel channels tool. I will be drawing these channels directly on the charts and trading within their boundaries. The first currency pair shows a clear downward channel with solid bounces between its boundaries. I noted the price briefly broke out of the channel and came right back in, followed by a correction. Checking RSI, I still see potential for a move lower toward the channel's bottom, so no trade here just yet. Let's keep looking. Here I see an upward trend forming nicely, so I'm drawing a new channel where the price tends to move out and then return. Opening a trade upwards now. RSI shows oversold conditions, the price is near the channel's bottom edge, and locally there is already a small breakout. Let's watch closely to see if it manages to bounce back up. I expect RSI to push up from the 30 level. Oops, that trade closed with a loss. Let me quickly adjust the channel by expanding it a bit. And now let's watch the price reaction again. Okay, nothing worked out on this pair. The price broke through support, so moving on. Going it again. With a higher risk trade upwards, the price clearly tapped the lower boundary of the channel, and historically similar situations showed a bounce after such breakouts. RSI is oversold, and I'm anticipating a move upward to relieve the indicator before continuing with its correction. Yes, so this one closed with a profit of $1,440 right at the last second. The price made a quick jump. This trade helped me recover the previous loss. The price dipped briefly below the channel, but now it's back on track. Reducing my risk back to the original level, let's search for the next trade. Opening another trade upwards, I spotted a small channel starting to form here, and the overall trend looks bullish, so I'm trading along with it. RSI has been hanging around the 30 mark without significant bounces, so I'm expecting the price to hit back up towards the channel's top boundary. Oh, another trade wrapped up, netting me $675, even though it was pretty tight. I would have loved to see a stronger move, but the main thing is the price bounce exactly as expected. Sometimes all it takes is a little patience. If you are ready to follow my steps and want to boost your deposit, here is how to do it. Use the link below this video to register, enter the promo code you see on screen and in the description. And when you deposit $100 or more, you will instantly get plus 50% added to your account. Important, make sure you register only through my link. That's what activates the bonus. Once you have done that, click the link below this video, open the Telegram bot, tap the text me button and send me a message saying I want access to the private channel. I will reply to within 15 minutes and personally add you to my private group. So let's trade together. Let's find another trade. The price dropped again below the channel, giving me another opportunity to go long. Opening a trade upwards now. RSI is around the 30 level again, hinting at a potential bounce. The price has consistently moved between the channel's edges, and since we are near the bottom, I'm looking to profit from this bounce with my fourth trade. Amazing! Got the upward movement I needed at the very last moment, and I ended up with a profit of $675. Following the channel closely, RSI clearly signaled the right timing for this trade, so let's keep the momentum going. Quickly sketching out a channel here to check the possibilities. Missed my chance to jump in. This would have been a good moment for an upward trade. Entering a short trade now. RSI clearly shows overbought conditions, and the price is at a high level where it previously corrected nicely. I'm expecting a downward move since RSI is above 70. Alright guys, so this trade closed with a loss, but no worries, I'm increasing the risk slightly for my next trade. And honestly, I really like how the price is moving right now. I'm guessing this might have been a false breakout. We have seen this exact scenario before, where the price temporarily breaks out, but then quickly moves back inside the channel. I'm opening another trade here, fully expecting to turn this one into profit. I genuinely think this breakout is just a fake out, a little tricky move from the market. Also, looking at RSI, we're clearly in overbought territory right around that 70 mark, which makes me confident about a correction coming soon, pushing the price back toward the lower boundary of the channel. So remember guys, if you trade close at a loss, don't be afraid to jump back in. You can increase your risk up to 3 times, but always go back to your original risk afterward. As you can see, my first entry didn't go according to plan, but the second one brought me a great result. This trade closed with a profit of $1,447. Exactly what I was aiming for. Such an awesome outcome. Wrapping up today's session, 6 trades total, 2 losses fully covered by solid wins, and a clean $1,300 in profits. And the best part, it was all by strategy. No chaos, no rush, just calm, confident trading. When the market gives you these kinds of opportunities, the key is not to panic. Just follow your plan, your setup, and your risk management. That's what brings real results. We will end the video here, but I'm almost always online in my Telegram sharing trades in real time, market insights, tips, and updates. Send me a message there and I will help guide you from your first step all the way to consistent results, just like over 100 members of our community who have already changed their trading game. And of course, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my next video. It's packed with value if you're serious about growing as a trader. See you there.